One way to enjoy the benefit of the ginger is to use it in a water. If you want to learn how to prepare ginger water, stay here, this video is for you. You only need 3 simple ingredients that probably you have in home. In my case, I'm peeling the ginger, but if you don't want to do it, you don't need to do it. You can only wash very good the ginger and chop. If you decide to peel it off, you can do it with something like this, with a knife or with a spoon. You must chop into small pieces in the way you prefer. Later, you need a pot to cook the ginger. I'm using half liter of water. Now I will use spices, clove and cinnamon. I use them because I feel like the flavor of the tea is better, but if you don't want to do it, there is no any problem. But I recommend you to use it because it's more tasty. You need to boil the ginger for 10 or 15 minutes. Usually I turn off the stove after 10 minutes, and later I keep the pot there for 5 more minutes. You need to add more water and using half a liter more. If you feel that the flavor is still strong, you can add more water. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The ginger already has vitamin C, but you can add additional with the lemon. If you are going to save the tea, I recommend you don't use lemon, because in the next day the flavor is a little different, so it's better use always fresh lemon. You can drink immediately or you can save in the refrigerator. You can save even for 5 days. In general, the ginger is really good because it may help with weight loss, lower blood sugar, can help with indigestion, reduce menstrual pain and help lower cholesterol levels.